So one of our other safari vehicles in this group that we have here has just given us a call on the radio, and it seems like the mother has reappeared with her cubs. So we're going to head back in that direction and check on them, see how they're doing. We'll be able to tell once we get there whether the mom has recently eaten or not. And it's kind of a chilly day, so who knows, maybe the cubs will be active, or maybe they'll be cold and just want to cuddle up and get warm. It'll be interesting to see how they react to this colder weather. The Lioness has returned, and the cubs have come to greet her. So now they'll come together, the cubs will get to nurse, and the mom appears to have not caught anything while out hunting. So she will have to leave again, but now it's time to take care of the cubs.
Let's try to go in front of her. What do you think?
Yes. Lion cubs can weigh as little as 1.5 pounds or as much as 3 pounds when they're born. The cubs are born with their eyes closed and can take approximately a week to a week and a half before they open their eyes. They rely on the mom's milk for the first 3 months, where they begin to start eating meat, but generally are not fully weaned until around 10 months of age. These cubs are approximately 3 months old. This is a great age to photograph lion cubs. They can be very animated, they play a lot, and they're very social with the mother. It's a wonderful age to just observe and watch and enjoy the cubs as well. On this safari, we were blessed with so many opportunities to spend time learning, observing, watching, and of course photographing these incredible and beautiful parts of nature, wild Africa at its best. Well, it's time for Mom to find a place to stash the cubs and to head back out and hunt for a while. That hunting process is so important to maintain her weight and her nutrition so she can continue to provide milk for the cubs. Each and every day on safari brings new sightings, wonderful species of animals to photograph and to see. Every day we head out, we journey around, and make new discoveries. So we've got a beautiful, beautiful female leopard here. She's just in these logs behind me. I'm going to try to get a couple of shots of her now. What a beautiful, beautiful sight. Female leopards can weigh in at over 130 pounds, while males can easily reach 165 pounds. So we just located Mashole. She's quite an older leopard. We know she's got a cub somewhere in this area, but we just don't know where the cub is. Right now, we were following her up this river, this ravine. We got some great shots of her walking towards us. And now she's kind of tucked into a little bit of a log jam. A little harder to photograph. We're getting some headshots in there, but I think she's actually out hunting, trying to find some food for the cub. If she does kill anything, then she'll leave it and then go back and get the cub and bring the cub to the food. Leopards are highly adaptable and can survive in just about any of the various biozones throughout Africa. The range of the leopard is the most widespread of all the big cats, covering large parts of Africa as well as Asia. Leopards have a very large variety or range of different species that they prey upon. Everything from insects to birds to mammals. In this area, the main prey species will be the impala, the steenbok, rabbits or hares, and monitors. Leopards live between 12 and 17 years, and they have about a 3-month plus gestation period. These cats are known for dragging their prey up into trees to prevent other predators, such as hyenas or lions, from stealing the kill. It's also very important for them to maintain their safety while they're eating.
She may come down.
No, maybe she's hunting because of the. I heard like there is a guinea fowl. Let's see what will happen. I thought maybe she will come to drink, but there you go. She's coming down. Coming down straight ahead.